You just need to practice speaking English. Hi, I'm Jikos. Today, I'm studying essential grammar in use. Today's lesson is Unit 39. The theme is it. Alright, first of all, I'm watching text and listening. And second time, no watching, just only listening and I'll try repeating. Okay, here we go.
What time is it?
Okay,
It's 10:30.
okay,
It's late.
okay,
It's time to go home.
okay,
What day is it?
okay,
It's Thursday.
okay,
It's the 16th of March.
okay,
It was my birthday yesterday.
okay,
It's 3 kilometers from our house to the city center.
okay,
How far is it from New York to Los Angeles?
okay,
It's a long way from here to the station.
okay.
We can walk home. It isn't far.
OK、次は、こっからもうリピーティングいきます。
It's raining.
It's raining.
It isn't raining.
It isn't raining.
Is it snowing?
Is it snowing?
It rains a lot here.
It rains a lot here.
It didn't rain yesterday.
It didn't rain yesterday.
Does it snow very often?
Does it snow very often?
It's warm.
It's warm.
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
It's windy.
It's windy.
It's sunny.
It's sunny.
It's foggy.
It's foggy.
It's dark.
It's dark.
It's a nice day today.
It's a nice day today. はい。
It rains a lot in winter.
It rains a lot.
There is a
in
lot of
winter.
rain in winter.
There's a lot in rain in winter.
It was very windy.
It was very windy.
There was a strong wind yesterday.
There was a strong wind yesterday.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 10:30.
It's 10:30.
It's late.
It's late.
It's time to go home.
It's time to go home.
What day is it?
What day is it?
It's Thursday.
It's Thursday.
It's the 16th of March.
It's the 16th of March.
It was my birthday yesterday.
It was my birthday yesterday.
It's 3 kilometers from our house to the city center.
It's 3 kilometers from our house to the city center.
How far is it from New York to Los Angeles?
How far is it from New York to Los Angeles?
It's a long way from here to the station.
It's a long way from here to the station.
We can walk home. It isn't far.
We can go home. We can go home. Is it far? We can walk home. It isn't far. はい、じゃあ次。
It's nice to see you again.
はい、
It's impossible to understand her.
はい、
It wasn't easy to find your house.
はい。
It's nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you again.
It's impossible to understand her.
It's impossible to understand her.
It wasn't easy to find your house.
It wasn't easy to find your house. Okay,
It's raining again.
okay,
Is it true that you're going away?
okay.
It's raining again.
It's raining again.
Is it true that you're going away?
Is it true you are going away? Is it true you are going again? Away? Going away? はい。なんかちょっとあれだな。はい、OK。today's finish. Today's finish じゃない。today's lesson. Today's lesson. 何 has finished? OK. I'll try next day. Thank you. See you next time.